Hello again, guys. Marvin with JaguarTopRepair.com. Welcome back. You first timers, thank you for viewing. Also, if you haven't already hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do it now. So, not going to keep you guys long today. Today, I'm introducing my social media pages, Facebook and Instagram, coming to you soon. Don't worry about finding me. I'll include links in the description, so you'll be able to find me on social media. That's Facebook and Instagram. And if you're in the market, you're looking for someone to repair your convertible top and do it the right way, whether it's hoses or cylinder replacements, you're in the right place. Give me a call at 888-317-9340. I'll be talking to you guys soon. Enjoy the social media posts. Thank you for viewing.